Hey guys, Rico here from Finding UFO. Today we're looking at the fascinating new piece of footage, 6 glowing orbs captured in the sky over Spain. So let's take a quick look and then we'll break it down together.
Mira qué pasada, tío. ¿Lo veis cómo bajan? Hostia, se han ido. ¡Que nos invaden!
So this is what I know about this footage. It was recorded recently on October the 5th, 2025 over Palma de Mallorca in Spain. In the video we can see 6 bright orbs drifting silently above the city, moving in a way that doesn't match your typical aircraft. You can hear the eyewitnesses' disbelief as the objects begin disappearing and reappearing, almost as if fading in and out of reality. And here's something I noticed. When orbs appear in groups, especially in threes, they often line up in a pattern that resembles Orion's belt. Maybe it's just a coincidence, but towards the end of the footage, the formation looks surprisingly similar. It's subtle, but interesting enough to point out. Also, take a look near the water surface. There appears to be another flashing orb, almost identical to the ones in the sky. That detail adds another layer to this sighting and raises even more questions about what's really happening here. Some sources claim that these objects are drones, but locals in Mallorca say private drone shows are not permitted without official approval. And honestly, based on their movement and the way they phase in and out, they don't behave like typical drones. Whatever these orbs are, advanced tech, atmospheric phenomena, or something entirely unexplained, it's definitely an intriguing capture. But as always, I'm sharing this so you can decide. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, enable the bell and press on all so you won't miss any future upload. And until next time, stay safe guys, thank you for watching, and remember, keep your eyes on the skies.